This isn't your average military SUV, it's a tank disguised as a truck, and it saves lives in war zones. This 4x4 armored vehicle carries up to 10 soldiers safely while dodging IEDs, small arms fire, and rough terrain. Top speed? 100 km per hour, range? Over 800 kilometers without refueling. Deployed in Afghanistan, Iraq, and peacekeeping missions, the Bushmaster is modular too. Armor can be upgraded for extra protection. Basically, a moving safe room that also moonlights as a rugged off-road beast. Would you ride in one of these in a mission? Comment below, smash like, and subscribe for more military vehicles and tech worldwide.